The Gun and Gang Violence Education and Prevention Workshop, organized by the Igbo Association of London and Area, IALA, on June 22, 2024, was a pivotal event addressing the rising concerns of gun and gang violence among Black youth in London, Ontario. Funded by the City of London's Building Safer Communities Fund, the workshop aimed to empower young people aged 12 to 23 with the knowledge and skills necessary to prevent violence and foster safer communities. The workshop featured a series of interactive sessions, including personal stories from individuals who have overcome challenges related to violence, mental health, and substance abuse. Key presentations focused on public health dimensions of violence prevention, the importance of cultural identity, and the role of law enforcement in guiding youth away from violence. A total of 98 participants registered, with 63 attending the event. The workshop included breakout sessions tailored to different age groups, where participants engaged in discussions on violence prevention strategies, conflict resolution, and the importance of community support. The use of interactive tools like Mentimeter allowed for real-time feedback and enhanced engagement, making the learning experience more impactful. The workshop achieved significant outcomes, including enhanced awareness of gun and gang violence, increased community engagement, and improved knowledge of safety practices and mental health. Participants reported a greater understanding of violence prevention strategies, as evidenced by their performance in post-workshop quizzes. Additionally, the workshop fostered better conflict resolution skills and boosted the self-esteem of the youth, with many expressing a commitment to embody kindness, compassion, and resilience. Given the workshop's success, recommendations include scaling up the initiative to reach more communities within London, developing long-term safety education programs, and securing multi-year funding to sustain and expand the impact of this project. Continued collaboration between the City of London and community organizations like IALA will be crucial in realizing the long-term goals of the Building Safer Communities initiative. A robust monitoring, evaluation, and learning component is also recommended to ensure the effective achievement of goals and guide future improvements.
As London becomes more and more diverse in its population, and with that diversity comes a considerable amount of strength and beauty, that the initiatives that look at building culturally safe and culturally responsive programs for our community members has been a huge positive in terms of actually really meeting people.
An activity I found really inspiring today was the mental health slideshows. It really struck out to me because a lot of people's mental health is really deep and nobody really talks about it as much. People's mental health are really important, and that's something we really need to take a hold of and introduce to people, that it's okay to share their mental health with people.
We decided to let our youth know and for them to be aware of the dangers of getting involved in gang and gun violence and drug addiction. So from time to time, we are going to engage them in various other activities that will take them out of gang and gun-related violence, activities that will make them to be more productive.
I found one thing particularly inspiring was Martin's story about how he overcame drug abuse. Despite me having a pre-existing health condition and me not really ever wanting to take drugs, I know I've been around people who have taken drugs, right? That was really inspiring to see that other people can fight against that and then also overcome it and be like, I can do better, and then help out other people like that in the future as well.
The Igbo Association of London and area, of course, will continue to run programs that will bring our kids together and then run programs that will get them out of trouble in the city.